You're good. You're good.
Where I go, I glow. Got diamonds hitting, that's for sure. Big drip, it leave you so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I look super good right now. Like, can we just, yes, who is she? It's me, girl, it's me. It's bad I can't go anywhere because
Coronavirus!
I'm gonna tell you about the time this man tried to recruit me to be his baby moms, okay? So this story takes place, what, like a year ago? This is back when I used to work at Pierce Pagoda. So it's morning time, I'm doing my morning paperwork and stuff. This dude comes up and, I say, hey, how you doing, da-da-da-da. And then I let him look at the stuff, let him look at the jewelry or whatever. But the whole time, I just felt him staring at me, like, and it was making me uncomfortable. And then he just kept staring at me. So I'm like, all right, whatever. So that's when I'm minding my business, and he's looking for whatever he's looking for. And I'm gonna just reenact the scene for y'all. Matter of fact, hold up. When I have this hat, on, I am him. He is me. Okay. When I have the hat off, I'm myself. Okay. So I'm gonna put the hat on so y'all can see. Okay. So he's looking at the stuff in the glass, and he's like, yeah, miss, can I ask you something? So I'm like, yeah. And he goes, yeah, so, you make commission here, or like, how's all that work? So I said, I'm like, no, we don't make commission, but I bonus at the end of the month. So the more I make in sales, the more I bonus. And he's like, okay, cool. That's what's up for real. Cause, I'm actually trying to buy a few things. Can you help me with that? Sir, you need some Vaseline. Matter of fact, cause you keep doing all this. Like, is your lips dry, sir? There's a Target down the hall. I'm like, okay, cool. Well, who are you shopping for? Because he's in the kids section. He's just his daughter. So I'm like, all right, bet. Do you want gold or silver? He tells me gold. So when he says gold, you guys, that is music to my ears. So I literally spent so much time with this man, trying on chains, trying on charms, matching bracelets, matching earrings, like literally the whole works. I spent like 20 to 30 minutes with this man. Okay, and yes, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I definitely gave him my best customer service possible. And that's not to say like the rest of my customers I didn't. But like, I think of it like this. If you babysit your baby daddy's girlfriend's kids, I know it's a weird situation. I mean, you guys have a great relationship, whatever. So you babysit your baby daddy's girlfriend's kids. Of course, you're gonna make sure that they're okay, that they eat, that they shower, that they do their homework, whatever. But if Beyonce calls your friend like, hey girl, you wanna watch my kids, don't even tell me you're not about to do the most for blue, purple, and pink. I know you are. I know you're going to be doing the absolute most for those children. Matter of fact, if Blue asks you to sing cater to you, you're gonna be on the stage. Okay? So don't even tell me you would not do the most for them. So that's the same thing. I'm doing a lot for him and being the best customer service person I can because he was gonna spend money. So whatever. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm doing all this work. And as I'm doing this, he just keeps bringing up his daughter. And, at first I was like, oh, like, that's cute, da-da-da. But then I got to the point where I was just like, all right, like, I understand this is your daughter, sir. And parents just love to brag about the little things they make. But goodness, sir, like, sir, I had enough. So I'm like, all right. It's been 30 minutes of this. I'm kind of tired of doing my job at this point. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just ring him up and let him know the total. That way he can decide, like, what he's going to do. He's going to get more or he's going to cash out. So I'm like, all right, ring everything up. And I don't remember the exact number. So we're just going to say, like $350. Because he was going to buy a lot of stuff. So we'll just say 300 to make it even. So I'll just say 300. So I look at him and I said, all right, so with protection on everything, you're looking at 300 after the discounts. Let's put the hat back on. When I squint, that's him looking at the computer screen, okay? He's like, 300. Oh, that's light work. Like, that ain't nothing. I'm gonna keep looking for real. That's it. That's crazy. So I'm thinking like, all right, cool, sir. Like, you know what? You're doing a lot of talking but at least you're doing a lot of spending as well. Okay, so I'm like, all right, bet, whatever. He's still looking, okay? And I'm just like, yes, my paycheck is supposed to be so nice. Like, sir, is your boss named Franklin because you working with the Benjamins? Like, yes, I'm so excited, right? He's looking at chains for himself now. So I'm like, all right, cool. Like, this is about to be a really big sale. I'm about to have a really nice check at the end of the month. Thank you, sir. So he's looking. And I think he adds like one more chain. And again, I mean, like, yeah, I'm happy he's spending money, but I'm really tired of doing my job. I just want to kind of sit on my phone at this point and not do anything. So I ring out the chain that he wanted to add for himself and scan it. And I think, what to say the total right now is $350. What to say $350. This is when it gets interesting, y'all. Let me get the hat. So I'm sitting there like, kind of like this. Like, trying to hurry him, like, not really trying to hurry him up, but, like, I want him to hurry up and go, because I'm tired of standing here and doing what I'm getting paid to do. So, he's sitting there, right, and he's still looking, he's like, yeah, you know what, ma'am, you know, let me take the hat off. They love to hit you with the ma'am. Like, sir, you are, like, 35 years old. Why are you ma'aming me? I'm not your ma'am. I'm not your miss. Like, I guess it's trying to be respectful, but no, he wasn't, okay? He played me. He played me, okay? He retail played me. Anyways, so let's put the hat back on. I'm back to him, okay? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna just grab that stuff for my daughter for real. Like, you know, it's real tough for me for real, because it's like I'm a single father. I haven't seen my baby moms in, I don't even know how long, and you know, it's just, I just want to make sure I give my daughter, like, the best I can possibly give her. Like, it's real tough out here, and I do this by myself. I don't really have no help, for real. So it's just, like, I'm gonna just grab that stuff, you know? Like, I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm sure you're a good dad. But in my head, I'm like, okay, Alexa, play the violins. Because, sir, cash or card? Cash or card? Or check. We take checks. Which one? So then he puts the hat on. After I said, I'm sure you're a good dad, he puts the hat on. He's like, yeah, so, you want kids? I'm sorry. I hold on. Let me grab my good here. Do I want what? Do I want who? Sir, I'm like, kids. And I was a little caught off guard because I'm like, he didn't ask me if I have kids. He asked me if I want kids. I just feel like, you know what, sir? I just met you. We're not really on that type of time yet. It's like, eventually, not right now. He goes, yeah, like, well, like how many years? Like 1, 2. My guy, cash or card? Cash or card? Check? Card? Cash? Card? Like, sir. That's all I can think of in my head is, sir, like, come again? So I said to him, I was like, oh, I'm not sure. I was like, I'm not sure. Like, what? And he's like, how? He's like, yeah, well, like, how old are you? Sir, if you are implying, do I want to have your children or do I want to mother the child you already have? The answer is hell to the no. Like, what? Are you cash or card? Damn. So I'm like, I think I was 20 at the time. I was in 19 or 20. And I was like, 20? He's like, oh, okay. Like, literally, like, he was intrigued by, like, when I said 20, he was like, all right, cool. And I feel like in his head, he was like, all right, cool. She's old enough. Like, no, sir, I don't want to have your damn kids. Nor do I want to foster the one you have. So then I'm just kind of sitting there, like, uncomfortable, like, all right, cash your card. So he pulls out his phone. We're just gonna use this as his phone, right? He pulls out his phone. He starts showing me a video of his daughter. And at this point, I was like unamused, and I was like kind of like, I was just annoyed. So he shows me a picture of his daughter, and I'm like, like, you know, like when you're at a family reunion or something, and you have that family member that just talks, talks and you don't even know what she's talking about or he's talking about. They just and you just don't want to be disrespectful and walk away. So you're like, yeah, That was me. I was his ass to the max, and he will not shut up. So I was like, like to the video. I think he noticed I wasn't amused, so somehow, I don't even know why I said, but I got back to the transaction. I was like, all right, so right now you're at $350 with protection. Sorry, y'all. I get PTSD when I tell this story, because like, it was a traumatic time for me, okay? So I'm like, your total was, we'll say $350. I don't remember the numbers to be exact. So I said, your total is $350, okay? He's like, all right. Pulls out his wallet. We're going to act like this is his wallet and the bobby pins are money, okay? This is what he does. He pulls out his wallet and he's like, and like starts counting his money. So I'm like, all right, cool. He's about to pay. You know what this man tells me? He goes, you know what? I'm gonna just grab those earrings right there. And I'm like, which ones? And he's pointing, mind you, to the showcase, pointing at the display case, and he's like, those ones right there, the unicorns. I'm like, the unicorns? What gold unicorns he's talking about? Walk over, $14.99 silver pair of earrings, unicorns. So I'm like, okay, yeah. But the deal was like buy one, get up to 2 half off. So I was like, all right, cool, but you know, I was like, all right, cool, but just to let you know, the earrings won't be half off. They'll be the full price, $14.99, because the other items are covered with the discount. He goes, let me just put the hat on. No, you can take the rest of that stuff off. You know what? I'm gonna just grab them earrings for now. I'm gonna come back for the rest of the stuff. I'm sorry. Let me grab my good ear again. What? You mean to tell me I just did all of this work for you to tell me, nah, I'm good. I'm gonna just grab the unicorns. Like, no. You're not leaving here unless we fighting, okay? You're not leaving out this door until we fight. Because you just wasted my time to get some freaking $14.99 unicorns. I was so irritated. Then, top of that, I said, okay, cool. Do you want protection? It's $2.99. Nah, I'm good. This is me clocking out. You're good. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was so angry. I was so mad. Top it all off. So he leaves, whatever. 2, maybe 3 weeks later, I'm in the mall, because that's where I work, obviously, and I'm on my break, and I head up to Victoria's Secret. Guess who I see? Guess. Mr. Sir Cap-A-Lot. But guess who I see with Mr. Sir Cap-A-Lot? Who I would assume to be his baby mother, because she was holding their baby, who I'm assuming it's his baby. It was the same girl in the pictures. But she's holding the baby. Now, guess what Mr. Sir Cap-A-Lot and his baby moms that he hasn't seen in months are wearing? Matching shirts. Sir, he's lucky I didn't go up to him and said, hey, how are you? How's life? Did you ever see your baby mom? Like, he's lucky I didn't go up to him and start talking about how, if he ever found his baby mama, pretty much. Like, I was so irritated. And you know what? I'm not mad. I'm mad at the whole, you're gonna act like you're gonna spend money to what? Like, what does he think is gonna happen? He was gonna spend $350 and I was gonna go home with him and raise his kid? Like, what? No. You spend the money and you dip. Like, what? I don't know. I was just so irritated about that situation. I didn't care that he was with his girlfriend or his baby mom, because I was not interested in him. But it's like, you literally sat here and disrespected her, and now you're with her. You sat here and talked down on her. Now you're with her wearing his and her shirts. Whatever. So it amazes me the lengths people will go. But that is the time, you guys, some man tried to recruit me to be his baby moms. If you guys enjoyed the story time, make sure you subscribe, because there will definitely I don't know why I did that. Make sure you're subscribed because there will be more story times, more videos to come. Why am I doing this? I don't know. What's that TikTok? Shake it out with some, I don't know. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next video.